students. Today we are going to discuss another lecture on the same topic, institutional finance to entrepreneurs. I have taken the reference of the Vasant Desai book of your course. We have discussed some of the institutions for small and medium enterprises and businesses projects such as National Small Industrial Corporation NSIC. CEDO was there, and that is an important institution, which financial institution which provide loan and other kind of finances to the various business projects like small industrial development organization. इसके अलावा खादी विलेज इंडस्ट्रीज कमीशन KVIC है, हैंडलूम बोर्ड है, सिल्क बोर्ड, कमोडिटी बोर्ड्स हैं, ये सारे अलग अलग बॉडीज हैं, फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैं जो कि डिफरेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स को फाइनेंस करते हैं. डिस्ट्रिक्ट इंडस्ट्रीज सेंटर्स जो है वो मार्केटिंग और बाकी तरीके की सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करता है SSI यूनिट्स को, स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रियल यूनिट्स को, अंडर अ सिंगल रूफ. स्टेट लेवल स्मॉल इंडस्ट्रीज कॉर्पोरेशन है. ठीक है. सो देयर आर वेरियस प्रोजेक्ट्स which are financed by various financial institutions this way. Apart from that, there is a big financial institution at national level like IFCI, ICICI, Small Industrial Development Bank of India, SIDBI, जो कि small, medium size, micro, small and medium size enterprises को finance करता है, MSME businesses को finance करता है. SSIDC है. ठीक है. ये सारे institutions हैं different, जो भी different तरह के projects को फाइनेंस करते हैं. देन कम्स अ वेंचर कैपिटल फंड. वेंचर कैपिटल फाइनेंसिंग भी होती है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड लाइक व्हाट इज अ वेंचर कैपिटल. आफ्टर दैट वी विल स्टडी हाउ दीज आर फाइनेंस्ड एट वेरियस स्टेजेस ऑफ बिजनेस प्रोजेक्ट्स. So the guideline on venture capital issued by the RBI towards the end of 1988 were a recognition of their role in the Indian market conditions. As the situation depicted at the end of 1989, venture capital funds still have a long way to go. The Technology Development and Institution Corporation of India, a subsidiary of ICICI, Technology Development Fund set up by IDBI, the Equity Development Scheme set up by SBI Capital Market Limited, and the Canfina, which have been joined by the India Investment Fund promoted by Gridley's Bank, are some of the venture capital institutions. Basically, these are the financial institutions which finance the venture capital projects. These are set up in India at a time. The Credit Capital Venture Capital is the first private sector venture capital company to go public. More companies are exerting the field soon with the International Finance Corporation, वॉशिंगटन एंड वर्ल्ड बैंक. IFC का आपने पढ़ा ही होगा, सारे इंटरनेशनल फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन आपने पढ़े होंगे FMI वाले सब्जेक्ट में, उसमें आपने देखा होगा IFC. इसके अलावा वर्ल्ड बैंक है. वर्ल्ड बैंक में आपका IBRD और IDA आते हैं. ठीक है. जो अलग अलग तरीके की फाइनेंसिंग करते हैं इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे बिजनेस प्रोजेक्ट्स की. तो ये दोनों ही जो इंटरनेशनल फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैं, ये वेंचर कैपिटल जॉइंट वेंचर्स को इंडिया में फाइनेंस करते हैं. नाउ लेट अस कम टू वेंचर कैपिटल. By definition, venture capital is thought as a creative capital which is expected to perform economic functions different from other business. That is a very new kind of businesses which have not been done earlier. इस तरीके के goods, सर्विसेज या सॉल्यूशन प्रोवाइड करता है जो अभी तक मार्केट में नहीं आए थे, जो अपने आप में बिल्कुल नए हैं. वेंचर कैपिटल जो है इक्विटी सपोर्ट करता है फंड्स को, उन पर्टिकुलर न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट्स को जो कि अभी तक नहीं थे. एंड दे इन्वॉल्व अ हाई रिस्क बिकॉज देयर इज अ वेरी मच अनसर्टेनिटी एंड रिस्क कि ये बिजनेसेस फ्यूचर में सक्सेसफुल होंगे या नहीं होंगे, इनसे कंपनी को प्रॉफिट होगा या नहीं होगा, उनमें ग्रोथ पोटेंशियल है या नहीं है. तो जब तक ये लॉन्च नहीं होते हैं, ये तरीके के बिजनेसेस स्टार्टअप नहीं होते, इंप्लीमेंट नहीं होते, वी कैन नॉट से वेदर दे विल बी अ सक्सेस और देयर विल बी अ फेलियर. इन द US, वेंचर कैपिटल प्रोपेल्ड new idea to measure the commercial successes. The objective of venture capital is to help professionals and small and medium enterprises to launch the enterprises with a specific promises. Venture capital is thus closely linked with the innovation. Okay. तो बेसिकली जितने भी इनोवेटिव प्रोडक्ट्स, गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज मार्केट में हैं, दीज आर बिकॉज ऑफ द वेंचर प्रोजेक्ट्स व्हिच आर बीइंग फाइनेंस्ड बाय the venture capital financial institutions or the venture capital companies. For instance, investment that help existing companies in expansion projects are linked to the book value of the underlying asset and rewarding the primarily out of the income produced by these assets. But the risk capital or the venture capital, according to definition, is the cutting edge with which the enterprises exploit opportunities. Sorry. So these are this is the concept of venture capital, and these are some venture capital companies which were given earlier. Now come to the silent features or the main characteristics of the venture capital. Basically, it is a high risk venture. The success rate is in the developed economies like USA is 60%, but in a developing country like ours or India, the success rate is very less. It is just up to 20 to 30%, not more than that. So it is very much risky to start a new business in a developing country like ours, because people in the initial state, people hesitate to buy a new product of a new kind. They don't trust at all, so the revenue will be less and the profitability will be less. But gradually, as they have the particular product grab the trust of the customers, then the business starts moving towards its growth and expansion in terms of its profitability. So the venture capital also makes availability to the assisted units, managerial and the marketing assistance. When the assisted companies have reached a certain stage of profitability, the venture capitalist sells his shares in the stock market at a hefty premium. He thus makes good profit as well as gets his locked up funds released from the redevelopment in the other ventures. So basically, जो venture capital है, it has a very different concept than a normal business. And it has a very long gestation period also. जो lock in period है इसका, the project period from the starting very beginning to its end or termination. And the benefit of profit from venture capital investment will start accruing just after 4 to 5 years, not before that. 4-5 साल से पहले तो returns इसमें आते ही नहीं है. It makes provision for the conditions of loan, which unlike the conventional loans, don't carry interest changes. Instead, it carries a royalty linked to the sales generated by the companies after commercialization, and the rate of royalty is fixed depending on the profitability of the business and the funds requirement of a reasonable return. It is a long-term investment and the returns are in the form of capital gain. And the conditional loan is essentially a quasi-equity instrument. It is full of debt as well as the equity financing apparatuses or instruments. Now, there are various stages of financing in a venture capital. First is the seed money or a सीड फाइनेंसिंग, जिसको हम कहते हैं, जो कि बहुत स्मॉल अमाउंट की फाइनेंसिंग होती है. जब कोई भी बिजनेस बिल्कुल स्टार्टअप ही होता है उस समय की जाती है. मार्केटिंग इज नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन दिस स्टेज. इसमें बेसिकली जो जनरेशन ऑफ अ प्रोजेक्ट आइडिया, डेवलपिंग ऑफ अ बिजनेस प्लान और जो स्टार्टिंग की जो बहुत इनिशियल स्टेज होती है बिजनेस के, वही पे. सेकेंड राउंड में क्या होता है कि फंड्स earmarked for the working capital for a firm that is selling its product but is still losing money. Third stage, third round financing में funds financing for a firm that is breaking even and is contemplating an expansion project. And then these are different stages. Basically, seed financing is first, and then comes the startup financing. The financing में आया आपका financing for a firm that started up in the past 1 year. Funds are likely to pay for marketing and the product development. Then the first round financing, and first round financing involve additional money to begin the sales and manufacturing after a firm has spent its startup capital. उसके बाद आता है second round financing, funds earmarked for the working capital. Second round of working capital. Then third round में जो है इसकी further financing है till the break even of the project. And the fourth stage में जो financing है venture capital की, it is including the money provided for the firms that are likely to go public soon, and also known as a bridge financing. So these are various stages. It includes these 6 stages, starting from the seed stage then startup stage, first round, second round, third round, and the fourth round of financing. So basically the process of venture capital involves generating a deal flow or a idea, then due diligence जिसमें कि सारा documentation process होता है, investment evaluation, project जो financial appraisal जिसमें हम NPVR के through appraisal करते हैं, ROI देखते हैं project का, then the structuring that deal, further implementation wala part, value addition and monitoring, and then the exit of the project. It is somehow related to the project management process itself. So that's it about today's lecture, students. Thank you very much for listening.